Climb inside the 2013 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.